In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a resume on Indeed. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's dive right in. If you're job hunting on Indeed, you might want to download a copy of your resume for various reasons. Perhaps you want to keep a copy for your records, or maybe you need to send it directly to a prospective employer. Whatever your reasons, the process is quite straightforward, so let's get started. First, you want to head over to the Indeed website. Just type in Indeed.com in your browser. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. If you aren't logged in yet, look for the Sign In option at the top right corner of the page. You'll need to enter your email and password associated with your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but I'll assume you're all set up for now. Once you're logged in, look for your profile. This is typically represented by a little user icon or your name, which is usually found in that same top right corner. Click on that. It should direct you to your account settings or profile page. From here, you'll see a variety of options related to your profile, applications, and so on. Next, look specifically for the section labeled Resume or My Resume, depending on the layout changes Indeed may have made. Click on that option. Here, you'll find all the resumes you've uploaded or created. You might see different versions if you've made updates or created multiple resumes. Choose the one you want to download. Now, once you have selected your resume, look for a download option. This is often represented by a button that says something like Download, Save, or an icon that looks like a downward arrow. Click on that. A prompt will usually appear, asking where you'd like to save the document. You can choose a specific spot on your computer, like your desktop or your Documents folder, so it's easy to find later. Keep in mind that the resume might download in PDF format, which is standard for many online applications and ensures that your formatting stays intact. While you might prefer a Word document or plain text for some applications, PDF is often the best bet when it comes to preserving the professional look of your resume. Once the download is complete, navigate to the folder where you saved your resume. Open the file to ensure that everything looks correct. Check your formatting, verify that contact information is accurate, and make sure there are no typos that need attention. It's always good practice to take a last look at your resume before sending it out to potential employers. If you're happy with your resume, you're all set. You can now attach it to job applications, email it to contacts, or save it for future reference. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded your resume from Indeed. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like it and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Happy job hunting, and good luck landing that dream position.